So in this video, you will see when you turn your page, it will be your second page. That is page number 21 of polynomials. This we will do after like completion of 2.1. It is 2.2 assignment thing is there. So I want you to then switch your next page, come to your next page, and there you will see this equation. And now concentrate because this is the crux of assignment number 2.1. So basically, you're having one equation. Let's say you're having 2x plus 3, correct? Can you tell me when 2x plus 3 is equals to 0 is there? What kind of equation is this? We know that this is the equation because equals to sign is there, and left-hand side and RHS sign, RHS right-hand side is there. And we have seen the degree. Degree means what? That highest power in the equation. So in this term, you will see x value, x power is 1. So x power is 1 and 3 is there, that is constant. Therefore, x power shall be 0 in this case because no variable is there. So degree shall be 1. Quickly recap, three types of polynomials are here: linear, quadratic, cubic. So this is an example of linear polynomial. What do they want us? So instead of 0, they have placed y. Let's assume that we have placed y. That is 2 variable. What we have to do is basically 0 of polynomial. What does this statement mean? 0 of polynomial mean what shall be the value of x when we place 0 here. So if we place the value of 0 as y, let's say y is equals to 0, then what shall be your value of x? This is known as 0 of the polynomial, correct? So in this graph, you can see, I'm just highlighting it here, okay? So in just quickly revise. So in this graph, you can see this is here, where y is 0 and x is having some value. Therefore, you have seen that this graph is intersecting x-axis, this here. On x-axis, minus 3 divided by 2, comma 0 is there. Therefore, this equation, y is equals to 2x plus 3. This equation is having only 1 0. 1 0 means this equation is having only 1 0 because only one time this graph is intersecting x-axis. One time this graph is intersecting x-axis, therefore our equation or 0 shall be 1. Again, in this graph, can you tell me how many zeros are here? How will you say? How many times this graph, now this curve is there, no? This curve, this U curve is there. This is known as parabola. What is known as? Parabolas here, highlighted. Okay. So this graph is intersecting x-axis how many times? So you will see one time here x-axis is getting intersected and one time here. Therefore, 2 zeros of polynomial will be there. Easy. Moving forward. Again, let's try this again. Hold up. Here. In this again, you tell me. Let's say this is your graph. 1 is your graph. How many zeros are here? So this parabola is intersecting x-axis at A and A dash. Therefore, 2 times. Therefore, 2 zeros shall be here. Again, this parabola in second part, this parabola is intersecting your graph at 2 points, A dash and A. Therefore, 2 zeros shall be here. Easy? Next, here in this first point, you will see this parabola is intersecting your graph at only 1 point, that is A point. Therefore, 1 0 will be there. Similarly, here you will see one time it is getting intersecting, this parabola is intersecting x-axis, therefore, again, 1 0 of polynomial shall be there. Again, here, can you tell me how many zeros are here in this graph? Since this parabola is not touching x-axis, right? So, no. Either you can write no 0 or you can write 0. Like no 0 will be there. It will be much better. So just write no 0 in this case. In this second point also, it is not intersecting x-axis. Therefore, no 0 shall be here. Moving forward again, let's come to your assignment number 2.1. This example 1 and 2.1 exercise is exactly the same. So let's do this exercise and then you can refer your example. If you're having any doubt, just comment me and I'll be there. Okay? In first time, question number 1, first part. Is this line is touching your x-axis? No. Therefore, no 0. Okay? Again, then second point. Can you see in the second point that graph is touching x-axis? Yes, here it is. So 1 will be your 0. In third point, this graph is touching x-axis at this point 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3 zeros shall be there. In fourth point, you will see that graph is touching your x-axis at 2 points. Here 1, here 2. So 2 shall be your answer. Fifth, again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So 4 zeros will be here. Last part. How many times this graph is touching x-axis? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is your answer. So 3 zeros of polynomial will be there. That's it for assignment number 2.1. In next video, we shall see 2.2 assignment. If you're having any doubt, comment me and I'll be there. Okay? Revise each and everything. See you on next video. Bye-bye.